Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you an important truth that every man needs to understand in order to build respect from women. Immediately during my research on female psychology and the factors that drive attraction, I came across a saying that made me rethink everything. If a woman doesn't respect you, she will never love you. This saying is not complicated, but it is the key that helps me unlock important secrets in the relationship between men and women. It is a simple but extreme profound truth. However, the kind of respect that women need from you is not the compliments or recognition, like from friends or colleagues. It is not polite gestures or simple favors. In fact, it is a deep, different and special kind of respect that only when you truly understand and show it, she can feel it. It is not only a recognition of your personal values, but also an admiration for your qualities, your steadfastness and your strength. Today, we will learn how you can make her respect you immediately without having to try too hard, just by a simple but powerful action. It is a change from within, from the decisions you make every day, from the way you face challenges in life, and especially the way you show confidence, resilience, and responsibility for yourself. When you live true to your values, you will automatically attract respect without having to ask or seek. Let me help you understand this better right now. To build a deep and lasting relationship with the woman, you first need to understand the difference between the two types of respect that every man needs to master. These are not just theoretical concepts, but are decisive factors in how you are perceived and felt by women in the relationship. The first type of respect that you may encounter is what I call grandfather respect. This is the type of respect that women have for men with whom they feel familiar and safe, who can give them warmth and a sense of protection. However, this respect lacks the excitement and attraction needed in a romantic relationship. You may be loved and respected as a friend, a brother, but there is no desire or passion. You are like a familiar man with whom she can share everything in life, but not someone who makes her feel interesting or want to get closer emotionally or physically. This type of respect is like a long-time friendship where closeness and security are important, but it lacks the desire that a true love relationship requires. When you are respected only in a grandfather way, you are someone she feels very close to, but you are not someone who makes her heart beat faster every time you appear. She does not think of you in romantic moments, does not dream or think about what could happen between the two of you. This is the type of respect without passion, without excitement, just the pure affection of a friendship. In contrast, the second type of respect, which I call royal role respect, is a much stronger, deeper and more seductive type of respect. This is the type of respect where when you walk into a room, all eyes are on you. Every action, gesture, look and demeanor of yours exudes confidence, authority, and a special charm. No need to say too much, no need to do too much. Just your presence is enough to make her pay attention. She will not be able to take her eyes off you and will feel curious about you, want to learn about your thoughts, the things you do, how you handle situations and what you will do next. This is the respect that every woman craves. It is not the respect that comes from affection or familiarity, but the respect that only truly confident, steadfast and strong men can attract. Respecting the emperor not only makes you special in her eyes, but also makes her admire you naturally. This is the respect that comes from the inner strength you possess, from the way you face life and the way you live with clear values without having to ask for recognition or confirmation from anyone. So the question is, how can you move from respecting your grandfather to respecting the emperor? The answer lies in changing the way you see yourself and the way you act in your daily life. This is not something that can be changed immediately, but if you persevere and learn to live with a clear purpose, build confidence in yourself and demonstrate your inner strength, you will gradually become someone that women cannot take their eyes off. First, you need to understand that respect is not something that can be demanded, but is a result of how you live and what you show When you are able to stand by what you believe in without having to change yourself to please anyone, you will attract respect naturally. Imagine a simple situation. You send a short, clear, and confident message instead of sending a series of messages hastily to get attention. She will feel the confidence in every word you write, and that is the power you can build from your own respect. This does not mean that you have to be rigid or uncaring. You can still show her warmth, sincerity, and care. However, when you live with clear goals, hold your values, and never seek validation from others, you will automatically attract respect from women because it is about respecting yourself and what you bring. One of the important principles that you need to apply to gain the respect of the EMP is to be steadfast and not let anything shake you when you face every situation in life without letting emotions or worries dominate. You will become the man that women admire. It is your steadfastness and confidence that will make her feel secure and respect you more than anything else. When you live with purpose, when you stay true to yourself and don't change for anyone, you will become the man she can't refuse. So always remember, respect is not something you can ask for. It's something you have to build from within. When you are a strong, steadfast man who lives by clear values, women will naturally respect you, and it is an irresistible respect. The respect of an emperor to gain the respect of the emperor. Something really simple but extremely powerful is unshakable confidence and steadfastness. However, the confidence we are talking about is not boastful words or ostentatious actions. True confidence comes from know your own worth and not needing to seek validation from anyone. When you know who you are, you know what you want, and never falter in the principles and values you believe in. You will not have to try to attract attention. Respect from others, especially from women, will come naturally because you yourself are a powerful source of attraction. Imagine a simple scene. You send a short, clear, and confident message. You do not need to rush to send dozens of messages to keep her attention, nor do you need to make things complicated. Just a message that is truly full of confidence and certainty about yourself. That is the power of self-respect. You don't have to try to show yourself as perfect or promise things you can't keep. What matters is that you live with purpose, live with consistency and sincerity in every action you take. Respect is not something you ask or demand from others. It is a natural result of the way you live and the attitude you show. Think of a policeman. He can attract attention and gain respect just by doing his job confidently and seriously without having to shout or make a fuss. That is the essence of respecting the emperor. When you live with inner confidence and are consistent with what you believe in, you don't have to do anything too flashy or try too hard, but you can still attract respect from everyone. This doesn't mean you have to be cold, uncaring, or uncaring. On the contrary. When you live with inner confidence, you can still show genuine care and affection. However, the respect you attract from women doesn't come from always trying to please them or seeking their validation. On the contrary, when you live with your own goals and passions, you will naturally attract their respect because you are a valuable person. You are someone who knows what you want and won't let anyone or anything change that. When you live with inner confidence and strength, women will recognize this and automatically respect you for who you are, not because you try to please them or seek their validation. Confidence is not just a state of mind, it is a way of life. This confidence comes from knowing what you are doing and acting on the values and principles you believe in. It is not something you can fake or show off, but something that is demonstrated in every action, every decision in your life. When you are confident in yourself, you do not need to do anything to please anyone. You just need to be yourself and let the values you bring express themselves to gain this respect. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be authentic and consistent with what you believe in. That way, you will never have to seek validation from anyone because the respect will come from the confidence and consistency you show. Every day, respect for the emperor is not something you ask for or want, but is a natural result of being true to yourself, from acting decisively and with purpose. When you are a man of value, purpose, and live with unwavering confidence, you will attract respect and admiration from all around you, especially from women. Remember, respect is not something you can force, but something you create through your own strength and consistency. Live by your values, and let your confidence be the source of strength that attracts respect from others. When you truly understand this, respect will come naturally to you, and you will become the man everyone wants to be around. Especially the women you crave respect. From the key to becoming a man who is truly respected is not what you do for her, but what you do for yourself. Be the model you always wanted to be, a man with strong self-confidence, clear principles in life, and always protect your core values in all situations. Because when you are true to yourself, without having to do anything special for anyone else, you will naturally attract respect from the people around you. When you start applying these principles in your life, you will realize that you are no longer just an ordinary man in her eyes, but you become a model that she respects and admires. You will be the one who makes her look at you with respect from the first meeting, because you have an undeniable charm, the power of confidence and inner stability. She will respect you because you know your worth and don't need to seek validation from anyone else. Remember, every big change starts with you. If you want others to respect you, start by respecting yourself. Live a life of purpose, stand up for what you believe in, and always stick to your own principles. When you do that, you will become the man that every woman admires and wants to be by your side. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share your thoughts and hit like, subscribe, so you don't miss out on my next videos. Remember, the journey to getting the respect you deserve starts with your own steadfast steps. Stand firm, believe in your worth, and start that journey today.